Introduction to Relational Database Design. So welcome to my course on Relational Database Design. In this course, you'll learn about the different types of databases. You'll also learn about the advantages of relational databases, which is the main topic of this course. You'll also learn how to create a database structure that's effective and well designed, which is the main topic of this course, creating a database structure. You'll also learn what tools you can use and how you can use them. You'll also learn definitions of the common terms when it comes to databases. So are you wondering if this course is for you or not? Well, this course is for those who want to understand how databases work and why they are structured the way that they are. It's for those who would like to know how to speak to technical people. So for those who work in IT or work with database people or people who work with databases and want to know how to speak to them when they talk about tables and relationships. It's also for those who need to refresh their skills on database design. So if you've done a little bit in the past, but have forgotten it, and just want to refresh your skills and get up to date. It's also for those who know how to write SQL already, but need to know how to create a database that's effective and well designed. But you don't need to know how to program. You don't need to have experience in writing SQL or any other programming language to be able to take and understand this course. So a little bit about this course. It's comprised of a set of video lectures with some class notes. It's set up on Udemy, which is a website that uses notes and a questions section. So if you have any notes or questions that you'd like to put in or any discussion, you can use it on the right side of the screen. No SQL code is required. As we mentioned, you don't need to know any SQL. It's also not restricted or limited to any kind of SQL or database. So the concepts and theories in this course will work for Oracle, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, and any other relational database. So the information we cover in this course includes the introduction, which is what you need, a database basics, which is an explanation of a database and the different types, relational databases, what they are and the advantages of using one. We'll go into the data modeling process, so what the process is of how to create a database and what to consider. Database design, which is the actual steps that we go through of actually creating a database design. So this is where we'll step through an example and learn how to structure it correctly. We'll also go over normalizing, which is part of database design, but we'll make sure that the database is normalized. But we'll learn more about that later. And then a conclusion, so how to implement this into a database and what your next steps are. So in this course, we'll start off with the basics and then it gets more advanced. So just wanted to reiterate that what's not included in this course is SQL. You won't be learning any kind of SQL or require SQL for this course. You also won't be learning any kind of programming. So what if you do want to learn SQL? I've created another course which is titled Introduction to Oracle SQL that you can find at the address below, udemy.com/introduction to Oracle SQL. It's an introduction to SQL in general, but it's specific to the Oracle database. So if you wanted to learn SQL, you can go there. So who am I? My name's Ben. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, which you can probably tell by my accent. I'm the owner and founder of the website CompleteITProfessional.com, which is a website for career advice for IT professionals. I published a few courses on Udemy that you might be able to see in my profile. I have a Bachelor of Computing and my major or my main subject was in Oracle databases. I've got experience in several areas of the IT industry and I've also got the Oracle Certified Expert certification. So what's next? We're going to go through what you need to know before starting and discuss some of the tools that you need and how to download them for this course.